All right, we are here with Lola Whalen. She's our judging coordinator for the Creative Activities Canning side, and we have a few questions that we're going to go over with her for do's and don'ts of canning. How long have you been involved in the canning project?
For 7 years.
All right. And do you have any information that you'd like to share with new exhibitors?
One of the things people have to do is read the rules. And when you do that, you'll find out that you have to bring 2 jars of each exhibit in. They have to be labeled. We have information in the premium book about what to put on the label. We have boards here when they come in to exhibit of what to put on that label. We require recipes. We're really concerned about food safety, and so we want to make sure that the recipe is food safe, and our judges will sample every single exhibit.
And how do you determine if something isn't safe for the judges to taste?
We use resources that are approved and are actually tested recipes, and so we can go to those resources and determine if something is food safe. We also have a pH meter. We know that we have to keep an acid environment, and so we use a pH meter to make that determination.
And what would you say for someone who's questioning if they're worried if their product is unsafe? How would they test it ahead of time before showing up to drop off their projects?
There's a National Center of Home Food Preservation. They can go online and look for a similar recipe. They can call the USDA. They can call the University of Minnesota Extension Office. They'll help them.
Well, that seems very helpful. So you have some jars here for us today. Do you want to tell us a little bit about each jar that you have and what would be good to know for exhibitors?
We require certain sizes, and so these are pint jars. These are acceptable jars for pint jars. These are half pints, and these are acceptable for half pints. We do not accept quarts. Quarts just don't fit into our display space.
What other information do you have for exhibitors that might be a little worried about showing up or even participating in contests such as this?
Make sure that you register ahead of time, because it is required that you register. And like I said previously, read the rules. We make sure that we include everything in the premium book. We want people to follow those rules.